welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Anna Cachet. I create travel vlogs, daily vlogs, just daily living in your life content as an adult in her 20s. So welcome over to my channel if you're new, and welcome back. So on today's video, I decided we're gonna go to a farm. We're gonna have a good time. I love going to farms every single fall. I love doing fall activities in general. So I'm definitely living out my best fall dreams by going to the farm today. But before we head over to the farm, I did want to do a little bit of makeup, just to, you know, spice it up a little bit. It's the weekend and we're having a good time. It's fun, so I want to be a little cute, you know? I am filming on my iPhone 16 today. Not gonna lie, the front camera is not the best to me and I'm not a big fan, but this is the front camera. Yeah, let's go ahead and do this makeup. I definitely need a new beauty blender. This looks crazy. I love a nice little cute little dainty ring. I love it. The look is like it's giving cute farm girl. On which is terrified. Breakfast was so yummy. It was so good. I had the Alex again, which is like an egg sandwich with like ricotta and arugula, and it was so good. And he had the French toast, which was also really yummy.
The French toast had some maple syrup, which you would expect, but then it also had some, I don't even know what it's called. It's fruit something, cave.
What? He's talking about fruit compote? Cave?
Yeah, that's what it's called, compote.
And I also got a iced chai with oat milk, and it was actually pretty yummy. It's just a little watery now, but he also got
a French toast latte with caramel in it, and it's delicioso. And how you doing, partner?
But we are here at the farm. We're about to go have some fun. I'm so excited. Let's go.
Ah! Right now, this is life or death. We have to balance.
This is so cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna dust her.
I wasn't ready. I'm so scared right now. So we've paired off. We're going through the corn maze and seeing who can find their way out first. This is kind of scary, not gonna lie. It's like anything could be out here. Let's keep going, y'all. I see him. Bones like teeth around, very crashing down.
So I can get a picture of you, because I got a nice angle. So.
Won't let you talk.